Hello friends, this will be tutorial number 5 in this Java Design Patterns course. In this tutorial we will talk about dependency injection, and let's create quickly one package. We will continue with numbers, it will be package 05, and we will create one interface. The name will be vehicle. And inside we will have one void function, drive. Let's save it, and we will create a class. The name of the class will be Audi, and it will implement a vehicle. Let's save. Okay, I have one S vehicle. Let's save it, and let's implement functions. We have a function drive, and let's print something. I will drive Audi. And now we will create one more class. The name of the class will be driver. It will be a simple class. It will not implement interface, neither will extend a class Audi, but it will have one private field, private vehicle. We will call it my vehicle. And we will generate a constructor using this field, and also we can generate getters and setters. I think that constructor will be enough, but okay. And now as you can see, we have a vehicle, and we will need a vehicle to create object driver. But also we can create a function, void function drive. It is only a drive function for the driver object. It will not have it will have the same name, but it will not have anything to do with interface of a vehicle. We will just write a message, system out print line, and we will write I will drive Toyota. Maybe I like Toyota more than Audi. Probably you will not agree with me, but it doesn't matter. This is just an example. And now we will create an application class. Application with main function. And let's create a vehicle. Vehicle, we will call it V1, will be equals to new Audi. We are using polymorphism. We have our vehicle, and now we will create a driver. Driver D1 equals to new driver. Okay, our constructor of the driver is parameterized, and we need a vehicle. This means that this object driver depends of the vehicle, and we will use we want to create our driver. And now we will just call a function drive. But as I already explained you, we have a vehicle, we have a field vehicle, and we will use this Audi. But this function drive is independent of the vehicle. This means when we call a drive function, we will have a message: I will drive Toyota. Now let's run, and we should have I will drive Toyota in the output, as you can see. Because it doesn't maybe you will think it override. It doesn't override anything, because it doesn't it's not extending a class of Audi, neither implementing interface of vehicle. For example, if we want to have a message I will drive Audi, instead, or we don't need to delete or comment this message. For example, if we want to have a message I will drive Audi, we should call that function from my vehicle, because it's a private field of a driver. And if we call a function drive, now we should we can comment this I will drive Toyota. In this case, now if we run the application, now we will have I will drive Audi, because we called it's a dependency injection, because we have created our driver object with a vehicle we want. But in order to display this message, to use drive function from the Audi class, from the vehicle, we need to call it. Of course, we can display both message, because drive function is independent of the class Audi. But of course, we can use a drive function from the vehicle when we call her, but we need to use my vehicle, which is a field. It's a private field of the driver. Now if we run application, we should have both I will drive a Toyota and I will drive Audi, which is good. I really hope that you understand it, and I hope that you like this tutorial. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. There are more tutorials to come. You can also follow me on Instagram. You have a link in the description, and I will see you in the next tutorial.